how to buy fashion product on Flipkart. Want to upgrade your style with Flipkart? Let me show you how to buy fashion product that easy and stylish way. First, open Flipkart website. Type what you are looking for in the search bar, like dresses, sneakers, watches, or even ethnic wear. Flipkart has millions of fashion options waiting for you. Not sure what you are looking for? Just browse through fashion categories: man, woman, kids, shoes, and accessories, all in one place. Too many options? Use filters, select your size, brand, color, price range, and even discount. Then sort by popularity or new arrival to find the trendiest picks. Click on the item you love and check size, product description, material detail, and important part, customer review with real photos. Tap add to cart if you want to shop more, or buy now if you are ready to check out. And that's how easy it is to buy fashion product on Flipkart. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your stylish friend. Until next time, stay trendy and stay happy.